Hey, what's up everybody? This is Super Simple Fixes and we are about to get started with another product review. This one's going to be on a running shoe developed in Switzerland. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, right now we are looking at the On. This is actually spells On, developed in Switzerland, and this is a running shoe that I picked up not too long ago. Went to a running specialty store, got my foot scanned, went through that whole business, and they made a few suggestions based on my foot scan, and gave me a couple of different shoes to try on, and this was the most comfortable shoe I've ever put on. And so I decided to go ahead and get them. I got some what do you call it, some insoles for it, and really amazing running shoe. We'll talk about the pros and the cons, but let's take a look at the most unique feature, the treads. Check this out. So this is called, more specifically, this is the Cloudsurfer model, and I think you could see why. So you've got these individual like supports down here, and it really helps with energy return. It really helps with running, makes running super comfortable. But I will say, because I like obstacle course running, and I like rope climbing, that type of stuff, this material here is not really made for rope climbing and climbing over walls and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty soft mesh, but I have used it in rope climbs. It just makes me a little nervous because I know that it's going to start breaking pretty soon. I wouldn't really recommend it for that. And one thing I also don't really recommend this for is lateral movement. These types of supports down here are good for forward and backward energy return, but lateral movement stability, this shoe does not really help with that. So if you're looking at using this shoe for, a sport that requires a lot of cutting to the right and left and all that kind of stuff, I wouldn't really recommend that. But if you are a runner and you put in a lot of miles, definitely try these pair of shoes. They are my most expensive pair of shoes, just over $100 and change, but I think they are absolutely worth it. They save my feet, and you're on them all day long, right? So might as well take care of them. And it's a beautiful shoe though, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it on the bottom there, all right? Thank you very much, and have a great rest of the day.